How to start affiliate marketing business even if you're a beginner. If that is why you're here, then you're at the right place. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So from this video, I'm starting a series on affiliate marketing where I'm going to share everything what I know about affiliate marketing that is going to help you so that you do not have to spin your wheels and look for information in different places. So this is the first video in the series where I'll be telling you what is affiliate marketing, what are different marketplaces, and how I do affiliate marketing. So make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I don't want you to miss out any of the points which I'm going to cover in this video. So starting off, let's start with what is affiliate marketing and how it is done. So as you can see in this picture, affiliate marketing is basically a concept where you promote physical as well as digital products from different people, and you get the commission whenever there is a sale. So what I do in affiliate marketing, I only promote digital products. I do not promote physical products, but you can very well go ahead and start promoting physical products as well. But my training is going to be limited to the digital products only. So as you can see, there is this merchant, this guy over here, and he's the creator of a digital product. That digital product could be a training, that could be a software, and his main intention is to sell this product to his target audience, who are going to get benefit out of this product. So then you as an affiliate comes in between the vendor and the consumer, the customer. So your job as an affiliate is to promote that product to the right target audience, and once they make a purchase of the product, you are going to get a commission, and those commission varies from product to product. It could be $10, it could be $100, it could be 500,000, and there is no limit. It depends on the product what you are promoting. You do not have to worry about the payment gateways, the support structure, because that is all being handled by the vendor or the merchant himself. So your job is only to promote that product to the right target audience, and there are different ways which we are going to learn throughout this training of how you can promote different products. So this is basically the affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now the first thing which you need to do is you need to find a niche for yourself. By niche I mean the category, what kind of products you want to promote, be it in health and fitness category, be it in internet marketing category, be it in self-help. So you need to find a niche for yourself, a profitable niche. And how you can find the niche, it depends, like what are your hobbies and what you can promote. So if you are into fitness, health and fitness, then you can promote products on health and fitness. If you are interested in digital marketing, internet marketing, then you can promote products on digital marketing. I promote products in internet marketing niche. And next, the question which comes in the mind is from where you can find those products to promote. So there are different marketplaces which are available to promote the products. So I'm going to show you a couple of marketplaces which I use, which you can also use. So the first marketplace is known as ClickBank. So you just have to sign up on clickbank.com, and once you come in the marketplace, you will see all these different categories. So these are different niches. So there is business and investing, there is computers and internet. So as you can see, these are the different products under computers and internet, and you can see the commission percentage which you're going to get. So if you promote this keyword researcher software tool, you're going to get $17.69 as the commission. And then you have got the other products, and similarly you can find different products in different categories on ClickBank. So this is one of the marketplaces. And the other marketplace which for internet marketing, if you want to go ahead in internet marketing niche, so in internet marketing niche there is a website called muncheye.com, and that is what I basically use. So Manchai.com is basically a calendar of different product launches which are happening each and every day on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank marketplaces. And basically, what you need to do, let's pick up one product. So you just need to click on that, and you can see the calendar is there for, I think, 2 or 3 months in advance. So you just need to find the JV page of a product, which is right here. So let me just open it and show you. So this is how the JV page of a product looks like. And you can get all the information about a product from this JV page. And what you need to do, just click on affiliate link. And from here, you need to apply for your affiliate link. So what I suggest you that if you're using Manchai, you can just go ahead and start applying for affiliate links for launches 1 week in advance. So if you are a beginner, and then you may not be approved for all the launches, but you should not worry about that. Just move on to the next one, and you will get complete information about the product from this page. And the next thing what you need is also a review copy, and you can get the review copy by reaching out to the vendor. You will find the contact information of vendor on the JV page, like this. For if you want a review copy of this product, you can just reach out to the vendor, and you can request for the review copy. And most likely they will give you the review copy, as they usually give the review copy to the JVs, to the affiliates who are promoting the product. But as I said, if you do not get the review copy, that is fine. If you're not getting approved for the launch, that is fine. You just have to move on to the next one. Do not just think too much about it. Just move on to the next one. So this is how you can promote the digital products in internet marketing niche from Manchai.com. And you can also go to another marketplace called Warrior Plus to promote the products. So you just have to go to warriorplus.com and create your account. It is very easy to create the account. And then what you can do, you can find different offers, different products on warriorplus.com directly, rather than going into Manchai. So here, once you click on offers, it will give you the list of offers. And let me show you what all things you need to keep in mind while promoting the products on Warrior Plus. So from here, you can, if you know the name of the product, you can simply put the name of the product here, and you can search for it. Or if you want to promote products in video marketing, then you can just put in the keyword video marketing, Facebook marketing, YouTube, and it will give out the relevant products. And the thing which you need to keep in mind while promoting the product is, first of all, the number of sales. So make sure that the product has got a high number of sales. And then the next factor which you need to see is the conversion rate. So make sure that it has got a high conversion rate. And the next value you can see is the visitor value, and that is $6 is the visitor value for this particular product. And the next thing which you need to see is the refund rate. So make sure that it has got a low refund rate, high sales, high conversion, and that is usually the best product. So you do not want to promote something like this, the product which has got 50% of refund rate, 7% conversion, 2 sales. No, you should not go for these kind of products which has got high refund rate. So that indicates that people, after buying the product, they are refunding it. So you don't want to promote those products. And once you find the product, then all you need to do, just click on get link. Just click over here, and it will open up the window for your affiliate link. So since I'm already approved for this product, so that is why I'm seeing the link. Otherwise, you just have to click on the request. I'll show you here. and then you just need to click on request approval, and then you just have to request for the approval for the product. And the good way, the way which I you do is requesting the product. Since you are new, okay, so most of the vendors do not know you. So what you can do, just pick up your phone and just record a short video that, hey, I want to promote this PLR traffic boost, and I would like to promote it using my YouTube channel, or if you ever got a blog, then I would like to promote it to my blog. So appreciate if you can approve my request. So if you do that, then most likely you will get approved by the vendor. And if you do not get approved, then don't worry, move on to the next one, as told you. And once you have got the affiliate link to promote, then the question comes how you need to promote the product. The best way to promote the product is to create a content around that particular product. You can do a review of that product. So for that, I highly recommend you go with YouTube to promote that product. See, in 2020 and beyond 2021, video marketing is the future. So you should be doing a video marketing. The blogging and all, they are also good. They do work, but it takes time for your if you start a blog, it will take some time for your blog post to get ranked. With YouTube, you can just pick up the product, just do a review, you get the review copy, you get everything, just go through the product and create a review video. If you want to reference any review video, there are a lot many review videos on my channel. Just go and have a look at the format what I do for review videos. So this is how you need to promote the products, and in any niche, in any category, any product, this is the best way to promote a product, is to create content around it. And not only you can do a review video, you can also create videos, helpful videos around that product, like some training, some tutorial, some tips, and at the end of the video you can recommend that product which you're promoting. So this is how we do affiliate marketing. This is how I do affiliate marketing, and this is the best way for a beginner to get started with affiliate marketing. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this first video in this series, and in the next video I'll be telling you the different tools what you need in order to promote the products. So make sure you watch that video as well. The link to that video will be there once the video is live. So stay tuned for this series. I'm super excited to bring you all the information what I've learned over the years in affiliate marketing. I would like to share it with you guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.